Hi, today we will discuss conditional control statement in C programming language. Basically, we use if and else statement, which is used as a conditional control statement. Okay, here if the condition is true, the statements which are under the if will be executed. If the condition is false, the statements under else will be executed. Okay, let me see what is the syntax of if and else in C programming language. Okay, if single statement, just we have to write if an open bracket condition, close the open bracket, and statement 1 semicolon. Okay, if the condition is true, statement 1 will be executed. If the statement 2, if the condition is false, then statement 2 will be executed. And similarly, in case of multiple statements which are supposed to work, if statement or else statement, then that those group of statement must be enclosed with braces. Okay, this is very important thing. Okay, if you want to execute more than one statement under if or else, those group of statement must be enclosed within braces. Okay, and if the condition is more than one conditions are there. If more than one condition we have to use in if statement, then we have to use logical operator, which those operators are and or logical operator, those operators which are used if the condition is more than one condition. And not operator is we used, this one is the only one, unary, I mean only one condition bas okay. And in case of and or logical operator, which is used if more than one condition is there. Okay, let me see how we use. Okay, this is where we use, I mean if open bracket condition 1 at the rate sorry condition 1 ampersand double ampersand and symbol condition 2 and close the open bracket. You can use more than two conditions. I give an example. Similarly, in or case also we use, okay, if condition 1 or symbol, I mean double pipe, and condition 2 close the open bracket. We have to use this is the way we use if more than one condition is there. And operator condition, I am showing how it works. If condition 1, two conditions are there if two conditions using in with the and operator. If basic concept of and operator is if both conditions are true, then result will be true. Okay, and in case of three conditions are there, here also same. The main concept is if all conditions are true, then result will be true. Okay, in case of or, if any one of the condition is true, the output become true. This is a very important, and this is the main difference between and operator and logical and or logical operator. Okay, I will explain the simple C programming language using if else statement. For this, just I defining one variable n, and I'm taking that variable at runtime. Okay, by using scanf function, just notice the program is I'm finding what the number which is given number is either even or odd. For that, we know basic mathematical principle. If any number is divided by 2, then that number we call even number. If not divided by 2, that number we call odd number. Just I'm dividing, okay, with 2, and but I'm using percentage symbol which is used to calculate the remainder. If remainder is 0, that number is even number. That's why I wrote like this: n percentage 2 equal to 0. For example, I given n value equal 4, 4 percentage 2, okay, then remainder is 0, 0 equal 0, then that number is even number. And in case if I given n equal 5, 5 percentage 2, then that value equal to 1, and 1 equal to 0, so that condition is false. Okay, then it prints odd number. This is the basic example of if and statement. In later classes we use how to use logical operators more than one condition. Okay, how we use logical operator in if else statement. Okay, and in next classes we will discuss if else ladder and nested if. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.